Yes, viewers, today an interesting topic for you, that is, often students ask me how I will be able to get the file from the internet and store in my pen drive. Normally the question that is asked to me is that, normally what happens, students ask me, sir, from the mail, from my email, how do I download the thing and put in my pen drive? So I will tell you one thing, that whenever you are using a pen drive, you have to put the pen drive in the USB port. So USB, Universal Serial Bus. So this is a port, and which you will find in front of the cabinet. And if you put your pen drive inside that, okay, or if you please put the pen drive inside that USB port, then what will happen is that you will be able to see the particular window opening over here, as you have found here. So this is a pen drive, and if I click over here, I'll be able to see my pen drive. See, this, as soon as I have entered, okay, this picture will come in front and it will ask me options, which one I will be able to open. I will open files and folders, or open folders to view files. Over here I click, the hand is coming over here, so I click over here. Once I click, all you are seeing is all the data you are finding is what is happening, or what you are storing in the pen drive. Now if I cross this, these are the files that has been stored in my pen drive by default, which is already there. Now even if I go to computers and this icon, computer icon, and I right click and open it, I can still find the pen drive over here. So there is a drive, that is a computer drive, that is a C drive and D drive and E drive. So E drive is the devices with the removable storage. So pen drive is a removable storage. So it is looking like a pen, and you just plug it in the port, that is the USB port, as I have already told, the USB port. And even from here, if I right click and open, I can find how much GB is free from here, and I can open it from here. I right click it and click on open, I find the files in my pen drive. Now my point of doing this is that, first of all, you have to insert the pen drive, and you have to see that the pen drive is active, and you can see the files. So if you can see the files, that means you can store files, and for that reason I have found out that whether there is space or not. For that reason I can see from here the space that is there. Okay, so now I find that free space is there. Out of this space, this much amount of free space is there, 6.15 GB free of 29.2 GB. So that means the total is 29.2 GB. Okay, and now you will be doing, or what I will suggest you to do is that, cross this first. And now I am trying to open, using my Google, I am trying to open my particular, what should I say, I will be opening from here the email. So email, I will cross this extra things from here, and I want to open my Rediff. So I can write over here rediff.com, rediff.com. Since this is my rediff.com is my server, from where I have my email. I have my email in the Rediff. So this is what is Rediff, rediff.com. Okay, this is rediff.com. So about the rediff.com you can find over here. This is a server and we can create emails from Rediff. So now I type out www.rediff.com and press enter. Once I press enter, I find that my Rediff opens. And if I want to, this is my machine, this is my computer desktop, and I have already logged in previously, so I can sign out from here. And if I need to sign in, I will sign in and I will use my user ID and password. So over here I am not showing you my user ID or password. So for that reason I have just logged in before. So it is automatically open. I have not closed it or I have not come out of the particular the Rediff. So now I go to Rediff Mail and just give a click. As soon as I give a click, I will find the Rediff Mail box opens and I will go and click over here inbox, and once I click the inbox I'll be able to see my files over here. So if I want to download any file, for example here is a file over here and this symbol means it is attached file and the file is over here, b8._ict.pdf, this is there. So if I want to download this file, I click on over here, see what I am doing, clicking on over here, and I find out that this is the PDF file. And over here you find the download option, click on the download to download the particular attached file. So my intention is to save this file. So how do I save this file? I click over here and I go to open. So once I click and go to open, file opens. And now if I want to save the file, I will right click on the file and write save as. So I can save. I know that F drive is my pen drive, so I can go over here, I can see over here the pen drive is here, so I click here. Once I click here, I have named, the name is over here b8_ict, and I save it by coming over here and clicking on save. Automatically the file saves. Where it saves in my pen drive. How do I find out whether it is saved or not? So I will see the name of the file is b8_ict. I close these things. And then I come over here. Right click on the computer, open it up because it is Windows version, Windows 7, you can see. So for that reason, do that. And you see the pen drive, E drive is here. Right click and then open it. So once you right click it, open will come and click on open. And now you will be able to see the B8 file. Yes, here it is already saved. Right click it, open it in Adobe Reader because it is a PDF file. You find that the file is saved and it is eligible to read and eligible to open. So this is what you wanted, sir. Our question is that how do I save any file from the particular email and store in the pen drive, and that is what I have done. Okay, thank you everyone. So I hope this fulfills your dream to save a file from the email and put it in your pen drive. Thanks everyone.